Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Elantra key battery. This simple DIY task can save you time and a trip to the dealership. Before we begin, let's make sure you have all the necessary items. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, a new CR 2032 coin cell battery, and a well-lit, clean area to work. Having these ready will make the process smooth and easy. Now that you have your tools, let's carefully open the key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side or back of your fob and slide out the emergency key. This key is crucial for the next step. Next, find the small notch or slot where the emergency key was removed or along the seam of the fob. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it to pry the two halves of the fob apart. Be careful not to apply too much force. With the key fob open, you will see the internal components and the old battery. Take a moment to observe how the old CR 2032 battery is positioned, noting which side is facing up. This is important for correct installation of the new battery. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently lift and remove the old battery from its compartment. Now, insert the new CR 2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces the same direction as the old one. Once the new battery is securely in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob and press them firmly together until they snap shut. Make sure there are no gaps. Then, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until it clicks. Finally, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle. Your key fob should now be fully functional, providing reliable access to your car.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.